A lot of people ask me, what's going to happen if the market crashes? Well, firstly, I don't think it's going to. I mean, I'm not saying it's not going to dip. I'm not saying that properties are going to always go up and up and up and never go down, because that's not realistic. But I don't think that the property prices could possibly crash and keep crashing. And that is just because we're living in a small island and there's a shortage of houses and an overpopulation of people. So I don't think it can happen. But here's the really important thing. Here's the really, really important thing. People that say, what happens if the market crashes? They're actually talking nonsense, because even if house prices crashed, what usually happens when property prices go low is, and there's economic crisis, is everybody has to rent. So if everyone has to rent, then rents go up. If you own a house, as long as you don't plan on having to sell it, if you just buy it and you're planning on renting it out, if my property portfolio shrunk in value by 50%, would it actually affect me on a day-to-day basis? And the answer is no, because my rent is going to continue coming in the same. So unless you're planning on buying to sell, it doesn't matter if the market crashes, but ultimately it won't. So that's kind of my thoughts on the whole thing. I'd love to know what you think. Please put your comments below. Do you think the market's going to crash? If it did crash, would it affect you? And my bet is, if you're a professional property investor and if you own properties, my bet is that if the market did crash, it wouldn't affect you at all, because you'd still get your rent. So let me know your thoughts. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's mentoring on a Monday. Every single week at 7 p.m. on a Monday between 8 p.m. I'm going to be live answering all your comments and questions. Don't forget to subscribe right over here so you'll never miss one of these videos. I'll see you next week at 7 p.m. Also, if you haven't got a copy of my book, you need this in your life. You can get it from Amazon for £10.99 or a gift from me absolutely free down below in the description link. I'll see you next week, Monday at 7 p.m.